Hi all of you. Now I am interested to say how the design will be done. This is a AutoCAD design. How to draw this? I want to say how to draw this. Okay. First of all, we have to see the dimensions of this picture. Here, the inner the inner circle dia is 54 and middle one is 74 and outer one is 94. First of all, we have to draw these three circles. After that, this is a small circles. Now how many number of circles? 6 number of holes in a polar array. We have to draw this. Initially we have to take these three circles. Okay, just go to circle. Here we have to take the diametric circle, center diameter circle. So first of all, we have to take 94 dia circle. Again we have to click the space button, the previous command activated. Here I have to take 74 dia circle. Next again space bar. Then 54 dia circle. 1 minute, there is 6 minutes. Okay, our 94, 75 and 54 three circles are drawn here. Next we have to take the middle lines. So take a line here. This is our midpoint. Then draw a middle line. Okay, click on escape and again space bar. Here this is the another middle line for us. This will be extended like this. Okay, click on escape. Next we have to take a circle of dia 12 in this midpoint. How much dia is 12? Okay, so based on this midpoint, the circle will be drawn. Next we have to do the polar array. Here we have the rectangular array, path array, polar array. In that, go to polar array, just select the object and click on enter. Give the center point. Here we have to change the number of items also. Then I want the 6 holes. Here I got the 6. Okay, click on exit. Okay, next we have to take these lines, angle lines. For that, take a line. This is effect of. This is 130. Sorry, 30 degrees right, 30 degrees left. So I have to take here as 120 degrees. Escape. Just again take space bar. Here you have to take 60. Click on escape. 1 minute and this is some change.
After doing the drawing, next we have to do this slab level and next on the level we have to do this paragraph over.
Okay, here I have to take the angle of 60. Then okay, Next, after the drawing these lines, we have the middle curve as radius 200 here. See, this is a dia of 200. So, take a dia of circle. Based upon this midpoint, I have to mention the 200 dia. Yes, from this circle, I have to take another. This is the dia of inner circle dia of 24, outer circle dia of 46. Okay, then I have to take from this what 24 first, enter, and then again space bar or take a dia of circle. This is a 46, enter, again take a circle. This is 24, enter, and again you have to take how much this is 46, enter. By using the circles, you have to draw a circles based upon this center point. Just touch on these points. Okay, just click again, space bar. Here you have to draw like this. You have to touch this point. Okay, yes, again space bar, then drag it and click on this point. Again space bar, you have to drag this and we want this point as like this. We have to touch these circles inner and outer. So we have to trim these extra lines. Okay, then here also you have to trim. Yes, see, it will be finished. Then here is small one, we have to left it. So here the distance is 36. Okay, that means from here to here 18, from here to here 18. Right force is 18, left force is 18. From here, just take 18. Enter. Just click on escape. Again you have to take the line here to here. This is also 18. Enter. From here to here you have to touch this circle. Here we have the option of extend. So we have to extend this like this. Just escape it. Next you have to go the fillet option. You have to select the first object. Here you have the first trim option. There is, you have to put the no trim option and click on radius. Here the radius is 9. Enter. So select the first object and select the second object. Again spacebar, just click on first object and go to second object. Again you have to go fillet. Here you have the radius of 10. Enter. first object, second object. Just again spacebar. Just click on first object and second object. Then here we have to trim the extra lines. Just trim the extra lines. Yes. So our picture will be completed. So here our diagram will be completed. See, the 3 circles are came, next the holes, 6 holes, next all the diagram will be completed. Then how to give a dimensions for this? Then we have to go the dimensions. Here there is an annotate option. Here we have the options of dimensions. Just you click the dimensions here, arrow mark. There is an angle, radius, diameter. I want radius or diameter. Here we have the option. How much it is 54. Again just click on. It will be 974. Again spacebar. It will be 94. Okay. I want to increase these values. So go to this modify option. Here we have the text increase, text height as 3. Okay. Just click on OK. Again go to modify, go to symbols. We have to change this also 3. Just click on OK. Set current will be used. After that close it. Yes. Our dimensions will be increased. Then again go to dia of this circle like this. Again you click mark, spacebar. This one dia is 18 and this one radius is 18. Again spacebar. This one is 74. Sorry, 24. And this one is 46. Again click on this. This one there is 200. So by like this we have to put the dimensions. Along with this we have to give the linear dimensions also. Here linear dimension of this bar is 36. Next you have to give the angle. From here to here you have to mention the angle. Again spacebar, you have to give the angle between these two. This is also 30 degrees. Okay. So here number of holes will be 6. We have to give these dimensions by using multi-leader. Here you have to write the 6 number of holes. Like this. Okay. In 1 minute it will be missing. Go to multi-leader, just click on it, get off. Here you have to give the 6 number of holes. Yes. Um, Here this is also you have to change here. Go to modify. You have to view the size as 3. Click on OK. Set current. Close. Yes. Our 6 number of holes will be given. Then our diagram will be completed here. So all dimensions will be given, the picture will be completed. Okay, thank you.